in this video, I'm going to talk about practicing and finding the lengths of the missing finding the lengths of missing lengths, which is in this case AC, using the method that I usually prefer. And I want to review that method again. And the method was to memorize the first letters in order to memorize the trigonometric function, which means for sine, we memorize S and write S. And for cosine data, we write C. And for tangent data, we write T for it. So let me do it for cosine first. And for cosine, start from the hypotenuse and it goes all the way down to the x. And we need to remember that when we write cosine for C, it should always be near the central angle right over here, which is in this case theta. And we also need to remember that the starting line should be the denominator and the ending line should be the numerator, which means the cosine data should be equal to starting line, which is h in the denominator, and for x, which is the ending line in the numerator. What about the sine data? The sine data, we start from the h, which is hypotenuse, and it goes all the way down to the y direction. So sine data should be the h in the denominator and then the y in the numerator. What about the tangent data? For tangent data, it starts from the x right over here, which is the adjacent side of the central angle. It goes all the way up and it goes all the way down again. This is the way how we write the tangent, t for tangent. So we're going to be x in the numerator, x in the denominator, and the y in the numerator. So let's apply this into this question. The question asks us to find the lengths of AC. And let's do the sine first. And I didn't write it, but this should be 4, and to find the length AC, which is this one. And let's find it. If you use sine first, for sine we start from the hypotenuse and we go all the way down, but it includes the given lengths, but it doesn't include the missing length. So that means sine data, it's already down. Sine data is not a solution for this question. And what about the tangent data? Well, for tangent data, we start from the adjacent side of the central angle, and it goes all the way up and it goes all the way down again. It includes the sides that we want to find, but it doesn't include the side that should be given in order to find the missing angle. So that means tangent data is not also the solution for this question. And let's check the cosine. And for cosine, it starts from the hypotenuse and it goes all the way down, and it does include the given angles and the missing angles. So we can say that cosine data is the solution for this question. And if you make an equation for this side right over here, AC missing lengths, I can write this down in this way. So I'll write this down here. So the cosine of the central angle, which is 59 degrees, should be equal to, which is cosine adjacent side AC over the hypotenuse, which is 4, and we can multiply 4. We can multiply 4 to the both side in order to isolate AC in the left side. So the 4 we're going to cancel out in the left side. 4 times cosine of 59 we're going to be equal to AC. And I already calculated. If you plug these numbers in the calculator, it will show approximate value. And so AC will approximately gonna be 2.4. And we have found the length of AC, which is 2.4, using the method that I prefer. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about the third example of practicing solving for the missing lengths using this method again.